In this video, we will do alcohol by volume test.
Good morning. It's been 7 days since I started fermenting these wines, and these two here are the grapes. This is the mango. This mango I only started a couple of days ago. As you can see, the air bubbles are quite strong. This other two slowed down a little bit because they've been fermenting longer. The yeast kind of died down a little bit on these two. These two are the grapes, and this is the mango. Let me show you a close-up on inside these buckets. The air bubbles on the airlocks are a good indicator that fermentation is going really well. Okay, so let's open this up. All these fruits or wine must float to the top. That's because the active yeast is pushing it up. When the yeast slows down activity, all this soup or juice clears. And you will not see any more of foams like this. All these fruits will sink down to the bottom. And the soup or the juice clears. There will be no more foams like this. We'll take this opportunity also to stir. I do this every other day. These are the grapes fermenting, and I also stir them up at least once every other day to get a better fermentation result.
This video is about how to make homemade mango wines. This is part 2 of my wine making video.
When I first started this channel, my goal was simply to entertain everyone. Much like a politician dancing on the campaign trail just to win votes and later, in one good way or another, get paid. I've since realized, though, that approach lacked the substance to truly improve anyone's life. But what substance is that? It is the spirit. When someone shares a moment with me.
Is this thing on? 듣고 있어. I host a show that no one calls. Tuesday nights, the dead air slot. I played your cover twice last week. Don't get weird about it. Okay, get a little weird. 계단에서 노래를 불러. 조회수 40만은 엄마야. 근데 너 하나 들어줬잖아. 그게 왜 이렇게 큰일 같지? I'm never gonna be a big deal. 나도 절대 스타는 못 돼. But you know my song, so who cares? Famous to you, that's enough.
These mangoes were still green 4 days ago, but now they're fully ripe. We'll make the mango wine. And by the way, you can also make pineapple wine just the same way as you make the mangoes. And if you are a gardener, you can just cut this top here and plant this. This will become another pineapple plant. Yeast consumes sugars and produces alcohol and carbon dioxide as a byproduct. The air bubbles are carbon dioxide escaping from the airlock. But before we make the mango wine, let's first check these grapes buckets, these fermenting grapes buckets. They smell really good. We will do a hydrometer test to check for alcohol content. Hydrometer cost is around 175 pesos via Lazada or Shopee in the Philippines. In the US, it's around 12 bucks US dollars via Amazon. It smells really good. And the color looks good. Very good.
듣고 있어.
To do a hydrometer test,
I
I
host a
will
show that no
get a
one
cup
calls. Tuesday
of the
nights, the
juice.
dead air slot. I played your cover twice last week. Don't get weird about it. Okay, get a little weird. 계단에서 노래를 불러줘. 해수 40반은 엄마야. 근데 너 하나 들어줬잖아. 그게 왜 이렇게 큰일 같지? I'm never gonna be a big deal. 나도 절대 스타는 못 돼. But you know my song, so who cares? Famous to you, famous to you. That's enough. That's enough. 새벽 방송 챙겨 듣다가 출근 버스를 2번 놓쳤어. 괜찮아.
I'll just drop it here.
네 목소리가 더
Right now,
좋았어. The station
it
manager
reads
says,
at
smile more, I smile more.
1.06.
Got scared. 9 hours
I
ahead,
started
you're
at
already
1.1.
tomorrow. Tell me if it's good there, tell me
What we
everything.
want
I'm
is
never gonna be a big deal.
1.03.
나도 절대 스타는 못 돼.
And then
But you
we
sing
can
my
move it to
songs
the
in your stairwell.
5-gallon
Famous
containers
to you,
where
famous to
we
you.
will
That's
be
enough.
filtering, removing the
That's
sediments.
enough. One listener, statistically embarrassing.
This is how it works when testing alcohol by volume. We test the sugars before adding the yeast. This test result is called original gravity. In our case, it was 1.1 original gravity. When we complete this fermentation process in about a week from now, we want to check for our final gravity. If we see a 1.03, which is a usual number, after fermentation completes, then the formula will be 1.1 was the original gravity subtract 1.03 final gravity. The result will be equal to 0.07. Now multiply 0.07 to 131. That would equal 9.17 alcohol by volume. Again, this is how it works when testing alcohol by volume. We test the sugars before adding the yeast. This test result is called original gravity. In our case, it was 1.1 original gravity. When we complete this fermentation process in about a week from now, we want to check for our final gravity. If we see a 1.03, which is a usual number, after fermentation completes, then the formula will be 1.1 was the original gravity subtract 1.03 final gravity. The result will be equal to 0.07. Now multiply 0.07 to 131. That would equal 9.17 alcohol by volume.
I ran out of the 1-gallon Ziploc bag, so I'll be using this 1-gallon jar to measure the amount of mango flesh that I will be using for this one batch of
Is this
wine.
thing on?
2 boxes of mango cost me $12 US. I bought it at the Asian grocery here
I
in
host a show
Bay
that
Area,
no one
California.
calls. Tuesday nights, the dead air slot. I played
There are
your
12
cover
in
twice
one
last
box,
week. Don't get weird about
and
it.
it's
Okay,
50
get a little
cents
weird.
each
계단에서
mango.
노래를 불러줘. 해수 40반은 엄마야. 근데 너 하나 들어줬잖아. 그게 왜 이렇게 큰일 같지? I'm never gonna be a big deal. 나도 절대 스타는 못 돼. But you know my song, so who cares? Famous to you, famous to you. That's enough. That's enough. 새벽 방송 챙겨 듣다가 출근 버스를 2번 놓쳤어. 괜찮아, 그 회사 싫었어. 네 목소리가
In this case,
더
it's easier for me
좋았어. The
to
station manager
use a
says,
potato
smile more,
smasher
smile
to
once.
juice
Got scared.
the
9
mangoes.
hours ahead, you're already tomorrow. Tell me if it's
I'm
good
just
there,
cleaning
tell
it
me
with
everything.
rubbing
I'm never gonna
alcohol.
be a big deal. 나도 절대 스타는 못 돼. But you sing my songs in your stairwell. Famous to you, famous to you. That's enough. That's enough. One listener, statistically embarrassing. 통계는 됐고 나는 매와. Yeah, I noticed. Famous to you, famous to you. Good night, so well, one of you. 잘 자요, radio girl.
I'm treating it with Capden tablets, 1 gallon, 1 tablet. So there are 2 gallons of this mix, 2 tablets.
Yeah.
2 tablets will be enough
I host a show that no one calls.
The purpose of the Camden tablets is to kill the bacteria and the wild yeast
Okay,
from
get
the
a
fruit.
little weird. I sing on the stairwell, 40 views, half of them are
I'm just
mom, but
using
you were
500
one of them
ml of bottled
listeners.
water to
Why does
dilute.
that feel like such a big deal? I'm never gonna be
We
a
will
big
wait
deal.
for
I'll
24 to
never be
48
a
hours
star
before we
either, but you
mix
know my
the
song, so
final
who cares?
fermentation
Famous
mix,
to you,
the yeast
famous
and
to
the
you,
rest.
that's enough.
It has been 36 hours since I have treated this mix with Campden tablets, and so now I am ready to do the final fermentation mix. So what I need are this is acid blend, dry yeast, peptic enzyme, and yeast nutrient. If you have not seen the part 1 of this video, check that also because that would give you a better idea of what we are doing here. In this bucket here, you can get from Amazon, Lazada, Shopee, also the hydrometers online. You can get all of these online. But before we do the mix, we are going to make our sugar syrup. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna microwave some water to dilute the sugar. This is just gonna be lukewarm. This is a 10-pound sugar, and what we need is 4 pounds. So 9 cups. 9 cups of sugar is equivalent to 4 pounds. So that would be for this one mix. So let me zoom in so you can see
Is this
better.
thing on? Ticoisa. I host a show that no one calls. Tuesday nights, the dead air slot. I played your cover twice last week. Don't get weird about it. Okay, get a little weird. 계단에서 노래를 불러줘. 수사십 반은 엄마야. 근데 너 하나 들어줬잖아. 그게 왜 이렇게 큰일 같지? I'm never gonna be a big deal. 나도 절대 스타는 못 돼. But you know my song, so who
Starting
cares?
with
Famous to you,
the warm water
famous to
first.
you, that's enough.
Right now, I'm going to
That's
mix
enough.
9 cups of
새벽 방송
sugar
챙겨
to
듣다가
total of
출근
2
버스를
liters
두번
of
놓쳤어.
water.
괜찮아, 그 회사 싫었어. 네 목소리가 더 좋았어. The station manager says, smile more. I smiled once, he got scared. 9 hours ahead, you're already tomorrow. Tell me if it's
Thoroughly
good there,
stir,
tell me everything.
making
I'm
sure
never
that
gonna
the
be
sugar
a
is
big
diluted.
deal. 나도 절대 스타는
And then I'll
못
mix
돼.
1/2 teaspoon of pectic enzyme,
Famous to you, that's enough. That's enough. One listener, statistically embarrassing. 통계는 됐고 나는 매우
1 teaspoon of
yeah,
acid
I know
blend,
best. Famous to
and
you,
2
famous to you,
teaspoons
good
of
night, so well, one of you
yeast nutrient.
Radio girl. Is this thing on? Yeah, I'm
So I'll
listening.
mix it to the must.
I host a show that no one calls. Tuesday nights, the dead air slot. I played your cover twice last week. Don't get weird about it. Okay,
And then mix
get a
my
little weird. I
sugar
sing on the
syrup.
stairwell, 40 views. Half of them are mom, but you were one of them. You listened.
This mix
Why
is
does that feel like
right around
such a big
2
deal?
gallons.
I'm never gonna be a big deal. I'll never be a star either. But you know my song,
We measure
so
the
who
sugar
cares?
content with
Famous to
a
you,
hydrometer
famous to you, that's
before
enough.
we add the dry yeast. And we will record this as the original gravity, or OG. We will later use this result to calculate the wine alcohol by volume. Finally, we are now going to mix the dry yeast. When we mix the sugar to the dry yeast, you will see a little bit of explosion as the yeast activates. The yeast sinks down to the bottom and then slowly will float back up. Now fermentation begins. It's best to keep this fermenting wine in a cool and dark location. Temperature should be from 60 and maximum of 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or that would be 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. In about a week or two, these air bubbles will stop as the yeast will slow down activity. We will move them then to these containers, these 5-gallon containers. This will be the process of wine racking, or removal of sediments. The wine racking will be a part 3 of this winemaking video, so I'll see you on the next one.
Be careful, for you, and for everyone around. Thank you for watching.